What's up everybody, Avel from AV Custom Wraps. Welcome back to another episode. And for this time, we'll bring in a Lucid Air that we're gonna do the maximum level of protection with the best customization that you can get. So it's gonna get a full matte PPF, so stick around for it. What's up everybody, welcome back. We're almost done with the matte PPF on the Lucid Air. So what we're doing right now, we're going over the final details. We're sealing all the edges and corners. We're also going to be installing a full layer of ceramic coating on the vehicle. So stay tuned for that. So that is it guys, this wraps it up for the matte paint protection install on the Lucid Air. I hope you guys like the result. In my opinion, it looks really nice. It stands out even more. So if you want to see more, check us out on the next one.